The AD200Pro. The AD200Pro TTL Pocket Flash kit from Godox is built around a unique flash source with a standard Speedlight head and bare bulb head that give you the option of two distinctly different qualities of light. The kit comes with two heads, lithium battery, charger and carry case. The Speedlight head outputs the standard look of and one camera flash that can be modified using an optical softbox, beauty disc or umbrella. The bare bulb head features a removable flash tube and produces 360 degrees of soft, bright, nearly shadowless light. The head uses optional reflectors that focus the beam angle and give you directional control. The AD200Pro has impressive core features such as 200 watts of power adjustable in 9 steps from 1/250th to 1/1, recycling from 0.1 to 2.1 seconds, and flash duration short as 1/50th 380 seconds. The flash runs on a removable rechargeable lithium battery that will give you up to 500 full power flashes and 1000 of lower power flashes. The AD200Pro has 3 flash modes: manual, TTL and multi. Manual outputs the user's choice of power, molding light, first or second curtain sync, etc. Multi controls rate up to 90 times. TTL takes advantage of the flash head's built-in X1 receiver. Optional X1 TTL transmitters are available for Nikon, Canon, Sony, Olympus and Fujifilm cameras. They will also detect a separately LED head. The 32-channel wireless system control flash mode, first and second curtain sync, high-speed sync up to 8000 second, power level, molding lamp and ready beeper at distance up to 328. Firmware updates are obtainable on the Godox website.